A few days ago, I happened to attend a seminar where one of the speakers was Shivakumar. He is an eminent thinker and executive leadership coach, and he has experiences from companies such as PepsiCo, Nokia, and Aditya Birla Group. The beginning of his speech was very intriguing for me, which goes as follows. Your life journey is the outcome of the choices you make. Some choices are in your control, while some are not in your control. We have no control over where we started, our family background, the city in which we were born, but we have full control over our future and where we want it to end. After listening to his speech, when I came back home, I started reading his book, The Art of Management. The Art of Management, Managing Yourself, Managing Your Team, and Managing Your Business by Shivakumar. In this book, he mentions a lot of valuable time management lessons that he has learned in his journey from eminent leaders such as R. Gopalakrishnan of Unilever, Oli Pekka at Nokia, and Indra Nooyi at PepsiCo. I am Shagun Agarwal, and in this video, I am going to share with you those valuable time management lessons that author Shivkumar learned from prominent leaders that he came across in his life. So let's get started. Please stay till the end because all the lessons are independent in themselves and valuable in their own way. Good time managers maintain a calendar and they really stick to it. If there is certain thing that's there on their calendar, they make sure that they are following it and their schedule run as per their calendar. They keep organizing their calendars as and when they have events coming up. The second valuable lesson in terms of time management is that good time managers always come prepared for the meetings. It is a gift that you can give to yourself and to your team. People who come well prepared for every meeting are having more productive meetings and are able to have less wastage of time for themselves as well as for others. The third lesson is making notes and journals. Good time managers have notes fully prepared and journals that they stand by. The more notes you prepare, the better becomes your memory and the more you're able to remember as to what task that needs to be accomplished. The entrepreneur and CNBC's The Profit star Marcus Lemonis prepares a list of the 5 things he wants to accomplish that day and he prepares notes for them to make sure that he's able to complete those 5 tasks without fail. The fourth time management lesson is work delegation. People who are good time managers are able to understand which task to delegate and which not. And then they successfully delegate that task to others. There are certain tasks that cannot be delegated, while there are certain tasks that can easily be delegated, such as preparing a report presentation can be delegated to someone in your team, while exercising or responding to your emails cannot be delegated and has to be addressed on their own. Good time managers know the power of delegation. Here, the author Shivakumar actually quotes the founder and CEO of Shift. According to Smith, I know there are some areas of my work life that are best to pass off so I can keep focused on what is most important. The fifth time management lesson is good time managers always follow through on promises. They always make sure that they are able to abide by the promises that they are making. The sixth is good time managers prioritize when they see a conflict. Whenever good time managers see a conflict, they are able to come up and resolve. The next is good time managers always add regular breaks in their schedule just to relax, breathe, and compose. The eighth time management lesson is good time managers always respond, whether it be email or a phone call. It might not be immediate, but it does happen. The second last valuable lesson for becoming a good time manager is that good time management requires the need to understand when to multitask and when to not multitask. There are certain situations that require your full attention, your complete energy, your mind has to be completely focused on that task. In that situation, it is suggested to not multitask. While in some situations which are repetitive, which are done on a daily basis, for those tasks, we can do multitasking because that saves a lot of time. Here, the author of the book shares a quote from the co founder of Noosa Yogurt. It is very easy to get distracted by your inbox or phone. When I have a big project or when I need to get something done and done well, I shut down my email, I turn off my phone, I put on some of my favorite music, and I start focusing on my work. So you see how there's a difference between multitasking at times and multitasking not at times. Good time managers understand when to multitask and when to not multitask so they can make the best use of the task at hand. The last lesson in terms of time management, as per Shiv Kumar, is that good time managers believe that it's a two-way benefit system. If because of my time management someone is saving their time and energy, it's the other way round too. If someone else is managing their time better, it saves my resources too. My time, my energy, and other resources. The interesting thing about time is that everyone has the same 24 hours in a day. Everyone gets 86,400 seconds in a day. No one gets less, no one gets more. Yet, a lot of people in this world are able to accomplish a lot in those 24 hours that most people are not able to. And that brings about all the difference. If we follow these 10 steps that the author Shiv Kumar is recommending, we will be able to manage time better and also save the time of others. Towards the end of his speech, he mentioned something that stayed with me even today. It is great if you're proud of yourself, but make sure that the society is also proud of you. And he also says that if we follow these steps, the society will surely be proud of us. I hope you found these 10 lessons extremely useful and that you will use them in your everyday life to become good time managers and to accomplish more in less time. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel.